Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate BigCommerce account detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your BigCommerce account, start by visiting the official BigCommerce website. Click on the Get Started button prominently displayed on the home page. You will be directed to a form where you need to enter your email address. Fill in your first name and last name in the specified fields. Next, create a secure password that meets the listed requirements. Select your country from the drop-down menu. After filling in the required fields, click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You will receive an email to verify your account. Open your email inbox and locate the verification email from BigCommerce. Click the verification link provided in the email. This action will redirect you to BigCommerce, where you will be prompted to set up your store. Enter a store name that reflects your business. Choose a specific business category that best fits your products or services. Next, fill out additional information such as your phone number and address. Once all fields are complete, click the Create Store button. You may be asked to provide more details about your business and your goals. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the initial setup process. After finishing the setup, you will be taken to your BigCommerce dashboard. Congratulations, your BigCommerce account is now activated and ready for use. You can now begin customizing your store and adding products. Explore the various features and tools available to optimize your online store. Keep in mind to check the BigCommerce resources for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.